Hello! Today I'm going to harvest some of my beautiful Rosellas, the large variety, and just wanted to show you before I put them into the basket how beautiful they are. I have them growing in a few different places around the food forest. And look at these beauties. Here are the flowers. If you have watched my previous videos about Rosella, you will know that I have two different varieties, and actually this large beautiful variety, I have lost it for a couple of years, and thanks to a lovely lady I have it again. She sent me some seeds, and now really super excited to have this beautiful large variety of Rosella. And of course, you have asked for seeds. I will have some seeds available soon, so you might want to check my online shop or subscribe to my newsletter if you don't want to miss it. Look at this beauty. This Rosella is at least twice the size than the smaller version of it, which actually, when you compare, would look like this one, immature one, here on this bush. So much easier to peel as well. Also, if you want to make jam, you need less Rosellas than from the smaller version ones. And of course, everything goes quicker and better. When you dehydrate it for tea, it is also much quicker, and you need less of the petals than from the smaller version. So yeah, definitely my favorite. And if you are new to Rosella, Rosella is a short-living perennial. However, I prefer to grow it as an annual here in the subtropics, because I have noticed that the second year of the Rosella bush will give you much less fruit than the first year one. So I usually grow it always as an annual. I wait until the last Rosella is harvested, and then I keep, of course, the seeds and sow the seeds during spring, or I allow some Rosellas, depends on the place where is it growing. I allow some Rosellas to self-seed. So basically I leave some Rosellas on the bush, and then they are self-seeding in the next season. Rosella is loaded with many health benefits, and if you have the chance, if you have the possibility, the space to grow Rosella, I would definitely recommend you to grow it. So I will have now the fresh seeds available. I have both varieties, so the smaller and the larger. Rosella prefers full sun position, and of course, as usually, the better the soil, the better will it grow. And for the usage, Rosella is perfect for tea. I always dehydrate and always have a jar in my cupboard, so for our tea blends. And I also make jams. And you can also add them to stir fries. That's what we also do regularly when the Rosella is in season. You can make vinegar out of Rosella. You can make wine, cordial. So lots and lots of good stuff you can make out of Rosella. Interesting fact about Rosella. You can see here a pup, which means when I harvest this Rosella here, this one will come and yeah, has the space to grow. Also here, a little pup there. So I will now harvest the Rosellas that are ready, and I will see you in a minute. And here more Rosellas. So some lovely Rosellas here. The other ones and the new ones, the baby ones, can still grow. I will go and peel my Rosellas now, dehydrate them, and enjoy my beautiful Rosella tea. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next time. Stay curious. Bye bye.